Bread is intimidating and difficult, but this one, it's not that. This one's really easy. It's a no-knead bread, and it just takes a day. First, start off with 450 grams of AP flour. You can use bread flour if you want. And then 3 grams of yeast. You want it to kind of struggle, so don't use too much. 8 grams of salt, and 350 grams of warm water. Mix all that into a shaggy dough. Just get it well incorporated, you don't have to knead it long. Cover it up and let it rest overnight. The next day, it's going to be really sticky, so make sure you flour your surface and your hands when working with this. Dump it out onto the surface, and then give it a couple folds over the top, and then form it into a nice little ball. Gonna let that rest for 2 hours. It'll grow a bit and loosen up and make it all nice. Then heat up a Dutch oven in a 450 degree oven. You want it pretty hot. Be careful putting it in because it's super hot and you can burn yourself easily. Put the lid on and cook it with the lid on for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, you're gonna take it out, pull the lid off, then bake it for another 20 minutes with the lid off. Once that's done, it should sound hollow and have a nice crust. Let that rest before you slice into it. You want it pretty cool so it sets and doesn't deflate. And that's pretty much it. You have an amazing loaf of bread with a really good texture, and it tastes amazing. Make it with those butter boards that everybody's making on TikTok, and have a great day.